guys, we're back.
Yep. And
Yep.
this is the factory.
And that's the factory Arri made for the Lego cars that the factory has been building, right?
Yep. And this is the person that makes the presents cars.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And
Then it goes to here. Package.
that's the package. And
Yeah,
we'll deliver
that's
it.
the present box.
That's the present box.
Close it.
And we close it.
And wait for a few minutes.
Wait for there's the delivery man. There it is. Where are you going? Come back here.
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
I got it.
You got the package. Woohoo! Aren't you so lucky to get all packages all the time?
Ow.
What just happened? You got hurt.
I got hurt from getting the package.
You got hurt from getting the package. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least I'm alright.
At least you're alright. Yep, and you got a present. That should help, right?
Let's go open it. Let me unwrap this.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna be unwrapping the present. Is that how you unwrap it?
I unwrapped it. Now it's time to unwrap this thing.
Okay, let's go unwrap that thing. I'm so excited.
I untied it. I untied this.
You untied it.
What's gonna be inside?
What's gonna be inside? Whoa! What's inside? What's that?
A race car for me.
A race car for you. What kind of sound does it make?
I'm saying what sound if it do this.
All right. Thank you for showing us the sound effect. That was very good. Can you say bye now?
Bye.
And what else are you going to say?
Remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe. I can't see it.
It's going down.
It's going
Remember
down.
to subscribe, guys.
What does it say in there?
2 kids in the pod. Remember to subscribe.
2 kids in a pod. Remember to subscribe according to Arri. Thank you guys for watching.
So, guys, for watching. Remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye, guys. Remember to subscribe.